Him they say, me and him can't share the same universe, and him right. But I gotta take it on, but I have to prepare for the worst.
Brother, you're not take on this by yourself. You're going like say you have friends around you.
And that's why I'm not gonna put you at risk. Because you're my friend. Better yet, you're like my brother. I prefer if you there, I take care of my business after me gone.
Brother, what you talking about? Eh? You don't feel say if you even left, Tony gonna come after me too.
No, bro. Tony have nothing with you. I mean one. So, if him get the better of me, that's it. End of story. You, however, you have a youth them to live for. Trevor, I understand how you feel. And I appreciate the fact that you have a back. Have it from a distance. Charles. No. You know how I feel right now? I feel like me that just go over there so go drop all a bomb in that, you know. Let me tell you something, Carlton. Don't make him come after you first. You go after him. Look, we agree to settle this. Man or man. Him calm me out. So, I'm gonna deal with it that way then. May the better man win. Alright. Do it after. I wish party can come. All you need to know is that the key for the safe deposit box. Yeah, my brother. Alright? You have a business we gotta take care of. I'm gonna take care of it.
Brother, you have my number on speed dial. Call me.
Yo, Tony! Where you call me over here for? Hide and seek? Or shootout?
Tony!
Sure you want to do that?
Feel good, doesn't it? You give me your skills, man. You should have got war too.
It's sad. Because you go war, you look like you forget all the rules of engagement.
All except one.